Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Chase.com username on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Chase app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, at the bottom of the screen, tap on More, then tap on your profile. This opens your profile page. Now tap on three dot at the top right corner, then click on edit profile. Now type the new username you want. Chase.com will check if it's available. If it's taken, then try a different one. Once your new username is available, tap save or confirm your username is now updated. You can only change your username once every 30 days, so pick one you really like. And that's it. Now you know how to change your Chase.com username on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.